Today we are covering memory allocation in PHP, a crucial concept for efficient programming. Now let's discuss the problem of memory allocation. When you are working on a project, you need to manage memory effectively. Watch what happens when you don't have enough memory. Your program will crash or slow down. Now, let's think about how we can solve this issue. We need a way to allocate memory dynamically. Did you notice that most programming languages have a built-in way to do this? Now let me show you the concept of memory allocation. It's like renting a room in a hotel. You request a room, and if it's available, you get the key. In programming, we use a function called malloc to allocate memory. Here's where most people get confused. Malloc is a function that returns a pointer to the allocated memory. So, it's like getting the key to your hotel room. So let's walk through this together. We have a simple PHP script that allocates memory using the malloc function. Now, watch what happens here. We first include the malloc function, then we allocate 1024 bytes of memory. And here's the important part. We need to check if the allocation was successful. Did you notice that we are using a conditional statement to check the result? Now let's look at a real project example. We have a PHP script that reads a large file and processes its contents. We need to allocate memory to store the file data. So, we use the malloc function to allocate the required memory. And here's the important part. We need to free the memory when we are done using it. Watch what happens if we don't free the memory. Our program will leak memory and slow down the system. Here's where most people get confused. They forget to free the allocated memory. Now, let me show you what happens when you don't free the memory. Your program will leak memory and it will slow down the system. So, always remember to free the memory when you are done using it. Did you notice that we are using the free function to release the memory? Thanks for watching. Try allocating memory in your next project and subscribe to Akshay for more tutorials.